In this example, we are asked to solve for the variable x. And as you can see in this problem, we have the variable on both sides of the equal sign. This means that we're going to have to group all of our variables together and then all of our constants together before we can finish up to solve the problem. So I always like to put my variables on the left side. Just helps when it comes to multiple choice questions. So this means that my numbers or my constants are going to go on the right side. I'm going to start by looking at the left side. On this left side, remember, I want to keep the variable term, like the 6x, but I need to move the negative 4 because it's a constant. To inverse the negative 4, I'm going to add 4 to both sides, but be careful when you move it to the right. You need to make sure that you add it to the other constant term, the positive 11. This will cancel out the negative 4 on the left side and leave us with 6x. On the right side, I'll be left with x plus 15. Now I can focus on that right side. I want to make sure to keep my constant term, the 15, but the variable term of x, or 1x, needs to move to the left side. It is a positive 1x, so I'm going to subtract 1x from both sides. That will cancel out the 1x on the right and leave us with 15. On the left, 6x minus 1x is 5x. The last step is to inverse the coefficient. The coefficient is 5 and it's multiplying on the x. The inverse of multiplication is division, and so we're going to divide by that coefficient, which will cancel out the coefficient and leave us with x equals 3.